Welcome back to the channel. This video contains driving footage day and night from the 70mm M800 2-channel dash camera. Both the front and rear cameras have a Sony STARVIS 2 image sensor. The front is a 4K IMX678 image sensor, and the rear is a 1080p full high definition IMX662 image sensor. The locations selected for the samples have a variety of lighting conditions, so you can see how the image sensors perform in those situations. I did clean the window glass on the inside and the outside before each trip. If you find this video to be informational, make sure you hit that like button. Check out the video description for additional information. Thanks for watching.